Let's continue in this class with what regards the boot. Let's see how we can do it. It'll be as follows. But it turns out I've got this separated because besides this, it's got an engrave. This engrave over here, this engrave, since it is so perfectly shaped, the pattern is perfect, then we won't make it manually as we've made this one. We'll make it using an alpha. And I'll show you how in a moment. The reason why I wanted to separate this, I'll need to apply an engrave and I need to increase the subdivisions in order to notice the detail. So what I'll do first is the metallic materials first, since other ones we know already. This one over here, this one here has got a completely different material. I'll show you first what materials we can use as leather. For instance, this polyskin, it works pretty well in order to add the illusion of a leather material. Alright, let's try out a color. RGB, standard. And I want it to be, obviously, this color is brown, the boot. The material, it's got, since as default, it's got kind of a dark material. Then let's find it, that brown, maybe by combining it with a gray, trying to make it similar this way over there. That's the color I'll use. If I select, for instance, standard, drag rect, and well, obviously, I'll use this up. Let's remove this one. And all this. Ctrl W, convert it into a single object. So I've already got leather and metal. And we'll be missing this part over here. And I'll start generating certain details. So XP, select standard, enable RGB, and what I'll do is to lift this a bit. I won't use this one. I'll do it using simply a normal alpha, standard. I'll make some little wrinkles at the back. But the idea is to make them a bit lighter. The difference is noticeable. I'll select here again and some more tone. I'll go back over here, disable Z-Zub, and I'll soften a bit those defined tones. Smooth it. Using pinch, we make this tight a bit. Alright,